is the wreath that I purchased for our front porch. Love this wreath. Just show you from the back, not that impressive, but it's so pretty. I don't know what these flowers are called, like mums and whatever, but y'all, beautiful. It is to be about like 16 inches wide. Y'all saw what it looked like on the front porch. It's beautiful. I absolutely love this. I've had this for like 2 years, and this thing has gone through hurricane season and all kinds of other mess, and you see it still looks perfect. All right, next I have this, and these are like these little mini topiary balls. These things are so cute. During the holidays sometimes, like when, ooh, oh, there's like a bug. It's trying to be in the video. No sir, I just pulled this stuff off the porch. Brought a friend with me. It comes with this little basket, this little wire basket, which is so cute, look. Hello. It's like a little farmhouse basket. And you get the two little, so everything that's like this comes in here, and then you get two of these, about 6 inches tall, 3.5 or 4 inches wide, and there are two of them. Are those so cute? Look. Oh, I love them. So cute. Makes a really cute little centerpiece too, like if you're doing a dinner thing. Just, you know, get the spiders off. Okay, now this is gonna be a little hard to demonstrate, so very long. This myself, because I just thought a lot of them look kind of basic, and I didn't want mine to look basic. I wanted it to have sort of like a vintagey sort of a look. I used the grass roll. I sprayed these letters in very, like just, you know, and then used just like a dry sponge. And I did silver, mint green, this copper color, and a little bit of black. And it just looks, it has this like really cool sort of patinaed, aged look. And these are the welcome letters right here, and they're about 8 inches tall. So this is a huge plank of wood. As you guys can see. And I made mine reversible. You know you gotta paint the side. So what I did was painted this board this kind of brown color. And then you can paint yours whatever color you like. Once it was dry, I put the letters where I wanted them, and I put them, like put double-sided tape. Just from the top, I sprayed this flat white paint. Once it dried, I just took a piece of sandpaper and kind of scuffed it up a little bit. So let me show you. So you have that kind of farmhouse, you know, farmhouse chic. You get two boards in one. So once I was done with that, I pulled the letters off. This is the green moss roll, and I glued this on here with like literally concrete adhesive, which you probably don't need. And then once that was dry, that's also what I put these on with, the concrete adhesive. But I sprayed them, obviously, before I put them on here. So, I mean, this has aged really, really well. I've now had this sitting on the porch for probably 2 years, and I love it. It just has this really unique, I mean, you just don't see this anywhere. You can't see it anywhere because there's only one just like it, but now you know how to make one of your own. All right, guys, here is the welcome mat. I figured I'd just leave it in place. Now this is 2 years at least worth of wear and tear, and this is pretty much the only door that anybody goes in and out of, and you can see mine still looks perfectly fine. That said, if you look at my front porch, this does not take on a lot of direct rain. If you did, I don't know what the situation might be. And then I also wanted to show you these guys. Look, this is our little angel Gabriel, who we have sunglasses on because it's summertime. And that, unfortunately, I did not get on Amazon. That's a little garden gnome that I got from like the dollar store or Five Below, or I don't know, but he's adorable. And him I've had for like several decades, so I can't tell you where to get him because I don't even know where he came from. He was a family thing. The whole porch. See you in the next one.